Hello guys, today we're going to learn how to use Flux in ComfyUI. The first step is to update your ComfyUI version. How to do that is to simply go to Manager and click Update ComfyUI. There is detailed video about how to update ComfyUI that I put in video description. Please refer to that, especially if you have problem with disconnected line in workflow after update. Now that we're done, we will now open the workflow for Flux. Comfy actually already have a sample workflow, so access the ComfyUI examples link on video description. From that link, just drag and drop the picture into your ComfyUI. For now, let's use the Flux Dev workflow version. Now you see the workflow. Before you can do anything, you need to download the model first. Model link on video description. If you don't want to train any model, download the pruned one to save more space. Save it on ComfyUI/model/unit. Also, don't forget to download the VAE, link on Flux VAE, also in video description. Save it on ComfyUI/models/VAE. Make sure to change the extension from CEF to Safe Tensors. Also, you need to download the 2 text encoder. Use the text encoder link on video description. What you need is clip L, and depending on your VRAM, TFOXXLOF-P16 for high VRAM, VJ, and RAM about 32 GB, or use TFOXXLOF-P16 or TFOXXLOF-MP16 scaled if you have VRAM between 8 to 12 gigs. Place the clip model in ComfyUI/model/clip, or if that not work, put in on ComfyUI/model/text encoders. Now let's talk about the workflow. Load diffusion model is where you load the Flux model. It will refer all the model in unet directory. The dual CLIP loader node is designed for loading 2 CLIP models simultaneously, facilitating operations that require the integration or comparison of features from both models. Flux guidance controls the influence of text prompts on image generation. For relatively short prompts and requirements, setting the guidance to 4 may be a good choice. However, if your prompt is longer or you want more creative content, setting the guidance between 1.0 and 1.5 might be a better option. Flux guidance controls the influence of text prompts on image generation. For relatively short prompts and requirements, setting the guidance to 4 may be a good choice. However, if your prompt is longer or you want more creative content, setting the guidance between 1.0 and 1.5 might be a better option. Higher values result in images that more closely match the prompt but may lack some creativity. Lower values result in images that are less closely matched to the prompt but may be more creative. The other node is self-explanatory, like a variant of K-sampler. The only difference is model sampling Flux, a built-in to control Flux Sigma shift, though its benefits are more limited. Now that we already set and download all the model, let's start the queue with default prompt. Here are the results. Now to search any prompt sample, you could search it in Civita where we download the model. There are a lot of good sample there. For now, with this workflow, we could only use positive prompt, but in future video, we will talk about other Flux model and also negative prompt. Remember, if you feel the load is very long, try using the smaller text encoder. In my RTX 4060 Ti 16 gig, it is possible to use TFOXXLOF-P16, but it is very slow, so I opt to the TFOXXLOF-P8 scaled. It is faster and the result's still good. Here, a bunch of result with a bunch of prompt. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you again on the next episode. And have a nice day. Please subscribe.